Once again, welcome back to the Sailorship. Let's discuss construction of Mercater and Gnomonic charts, which comes in TCN Part C. Okay, Part 1 is already uploaded in the YouTube, so you can see there the general views, and the Part 2 remaining question we are going to solve here. Okay, so first question is construct a Mercater chart graphical with natural scale of 36 degree north as 1:10 lakh. Latitude range was given 32 degree to 35 degree north, and longitude range is 75 degree east to 79 degree east. So we have the longitude range and we have the latitude range. What is diagonal size of the chart in centimeters? So we require the answer in centimeters. So let's see how we'll approach these questions. Since we know the natural scale formula, natural scale chart formula is chart distance divided by earth distance. So it is given 1:10 lakh. Okay, now we calculate earth distance. Earth distance of 1 minute longitude in mm. So is equal to 1852 into 1000 into cos latitude. Latitude is given. Okay. So 1852 into 1000 into cos 36. Okay. Now chart distance of 1 minute longitude in mm is equal to chart distance into natural scale. So this is formula. So we put the value in the formula. 1852 into 1000 into cos 36 into 1:1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we get the answer 1.498 mm. Now chart distance of 1 degree longitude is equal to 1.498 mm into 60 is equal to 89.898 mm. Now we calculate distance between difference of 1 degree latitude on chart. So we have the formula DMP, difference in meridional passage, for 1 degree into chart distance of 1 minute longitude. So now we make the tables. So latitude, MP of latitude, difference in meridional passage, chart distance, and this one, distance between difference of 1 minute latitude. Okay, so range is given 35, 34, 33, 32. Okay, this is range given in the question. So from the knowledge table we have to calculate the MP of latitude. So 2231.1, 2158.6, 2087.0, 2016.2. Now we calculate the difference between them. So for them, these two we get the 72.5. From this two we get 71.6, and from this we get 70.8. 1.498, 1.498, and 1.498. So we calculate, we get the 180.605 mm, 107.257 mm. We have to multiply by this term, so that's why we get this value. and 106.058 mm. Now since we cannot plot directly on the paper, so we have to measure scale. For plotting we have to take one scale. So let's consider if scale is, I will take 1 cm is equal to 40 mm. Okay, so first distance between 1 degree longitude for plotting is equal to 1 divided by 40 into 40. Now we'll take this value 89.898. So 89.898. So we get 2.247 cm. Now distance between 1 degree latitude for plotting, अब ये 32 एंड 33 के बीच का हम लोग चेक करेंगे. सो 1 डिवाइड बाई 40 इंटू 106.058. सो वी गेट 2.651 cm. Okay, now this is 32 to 30. Now 33 to 34. So same चीज, distance between 1 degree latitude for plotting between 33 and 34. So is equal to 1 divided by 40 into 107.257 is equal to 2.681 centimeters. Okay, now distance between 1 degree latitude for plotting. Now we check 34 and 35. So 1 divided by 40 into, check that, 108.605. So we get the 2.715 centimeters. So now we have to come for plotting. So for plotting we need to plot the diagram. So let's plot. So this is 35 degree. So this is 35 degree north. Below that 34 degree north. Below that 33 degree north. 32 degree north. Okay, now we have to start from 75 degree east. So 75 degree east, then 76 degree east, then 77 degree east, then 78 degree east, and 79 degree east. But when you are plotting this diagram, you have to make the measurement. So this is, so this is 75 degree east, 76 degree east, 77 degree east, 78 degree east, 79 degree east. So same here, 32 degree north, 33 degree north, 34 degree north, and 35 degree north. So when you plotting this, you have to make the difference between them. Like 32 to 33, you have to 2.651, which we are calculating. You have to make the distance between this and this is 2.651, and for them is 2.681, 2.715 distance between them. So you have to make the distance from the scale. And for longitude it is same, because longitude you are placing on the same difference, 1.498 centimeters, 1.498 equally distance, no, for longitude. Now we have to calculate diagonal distance. So formula is diagonal distance square is equal to distance between 32 to 35 degree square plus distance between 75 to 79 degree square. Therefore 108.605 plus 107.257 plus 106.058 का square plus 89.898, since this is 4 times, so 4 into square. So we get the answer. Diagonal distance is equal to 482.637 mm. When we convert into the centimeter, so we get 48.26 cm. So this is simple questions, so you can solve. Like diagonal distance is, so by Pythagoras theorem we are solving this. Okay, so hope you understand this numericals. So let's move to the next numerical. Okay, so the next question is, this is also repeated several times in the past MMD exams. Question is very simple. Let's see how we'll approach this question. The distance between 2 points on a Mercator chart in latitude 32 degree 30 minute north and 22 degree and 22 miles, how many minutes of longitude can be placed? So the distance between 2 points on a Mercator chart is latitude 30 north and was 22 miles, okay, distance. How many longitude can be placed? So how we'll solve this? There is 2 steps to solve this numericals. So we see both, whichever you like simple, which is you understandable, that you will solve in your exam. Okay, so 22 miles on Mercator chart in latitude, either it is north or it is south direction. Okay, 22 miles is equal to 20 minutes of daylight. Is that correct? Okay, so now we have to calculate MP for 32 degree 30, which is given in the question, is equal to 2051.5. okay, now MP for 32 and 52 is equal to 2077.5. Now we have to calculate the distance. So this is given in the question, 30 plus 22 miles, so plus 22, so we get 3252. So now we calculate from the knowledge table between the MP of latitudes. So we get the difference of meridional passage 26.0. so that's why this is our answer, 26 minutes of longitude that can be placed. So this simple one. Now we'll solve the by other method. Okay, the second method, latitude of 1 minute of latitude is equal to 1 miles, scale is equal to, let's consider x centimeter. Okay, the distance on chart for 22 miles for 1 day is x, so 22 into x cm. So 1 minute of longitude scale distance for 1 minute longitude on the chart is equal to 1 minute of latitude scale into cos latitude is equal to x cos 32.30. Okay, so number of minutes of longitude that can be placed between 22 miles on Mercator chart. So it's equal to 22x divided by x into cos latitude So is equal to 22 into cos 32.30 is equal to 26.085. It's close to this above answer. From there we get 26 and 26, hardly any difference. So this two method is solve this type of numericals. So hope you understand. We'll move to the next question. Okay, so let's move the next question. How would you circle of radius 600 miles? The circle of radius of 600 miles on the Earth's surface with center in latitude 60 degrees south. So with its center in latitude, so center is 60 degrees south, appears on Mercator charts. This is also repeated many times in MMD exams and it is very simple. So let's see how we'll solve this question. Departure radius of 600 miles. So let's consider departure is 600 miles at 60 degrees south. Okay. So d long, what is formula of d long is equal to departure into cos latitude. So 600 into cos 60. So 1 2 ये 0 0 0 कट गया. So 20 degree. Okay, you understand this much? Now Earth distance of 20 degree d long, this degree d long or departure at 60 degrees south, latitude is 600 m nautical miles. Okay, now Earth distance is equal to 1 degree d long is equal to 600 divided by 1200 is equal to 0.5 nautical miles. Now we use the formula distance between difference of 10 degree latitude. On there, before we calculated 1 degree, now here we calculate 10 degree because we have the large scale. On the charts is equal to difference of meridional passage for 10 degree into Earth distance of 1 degree. Now we make the tables: latitude, MP of latitude, DMP, Earth distance, and the distance between difference of 10 degree latitude. So 50, 60, because we require 60 in the center. So 50, 60, 70, 3, 4, 5, 6.8 from the Norris tables. Okay, now we difference between them is 1050.6 and difference between this is 1436.8. So we already calculated 0.5, 0.4 nm. We multiply these two and we get 523.3 nautical miles and 718.4 nautical miles. Since directly we cannot plot on the charts, so we have to calculate the scale. So 1 cm is equal to 80. Okay, you can take anything. Now distance for plotting, distance between 10 degree. Here we calculate, before we are calculating for 1 degree, now here for 10 degree. Longitude for plotting is equal to 1 divided by 80 into 600 is equal to 7.5 cm. Now distance between 10 degree latitude, which is 50 to 60, between 50 to 60 for plotting. So 1 divided by 80 into 5 to 5.3, which we get 6.566 centimeters. So now is between 60 and 70. So distance between 10 degree latitude. Now we use 60 and 70, difference between 60 and 70 for plotting. So we get put the value in the formula and we get the value is 8.98 cm. The first part of the question is over. We already calculated everything. Now we have to plot on the charts. So what we will do, first we make one line. Okay, so this is our 60 degree south. Now we calculate difference between 50 and 60 is 6.566. So we make one more line, which is, and the 60 and 70 beach difference between is 8.98, so it is a little bit bigger. Okay, and the difference between 10 degree longitude for plotting is 7.5. So welcome. Okay, now we have to join this. Actually, when you plot this one, this will come in perfect circular path. Okay, so this will be your diagram. So this is 50 degree south, 60 degree is center, this is 50 degree south, center is 60 degree south, and this is your 70 degree south. Okay, so d long is equal to 120 by 20. So departure is equal to 600 and departure is equal to 600. Okay, same, d long is equal to 1200 divided by 20. And this is 52.5 to 5.3 mm, and this is 718.4 mm. So this is plotting. So hope you have solved these numericals. If you still have doubts, so write me in comment box. We'll go to this rough diagram in more deep manners. Okay, so next question is, this is very important and repeated many times during the exams. So draw a polar mnemonic chart to suitable scale for latitude, pole downwards. So in the center is pole to 60 degree north for a sphere of diameter 100 centimeters. Add on this chart show the following: great circle track from the position 60 degree north to 120 degree west to position 70 degree north to 130 degrees. So we have the great circle composite track. They are also one great circle and they want composite track both between the above two. That means these two. And limiting latitude, we have the limiting latitude 70 degree north. So this is very important question. So let's see how we'll solve this question. So directly we cannot plot on the chart, so we have to reduce the scale. Scale is equal to, that means P is equal 60. What is this? Dia of sphere, which is 100 centimeters. So for 180 it is 100 and for 10 it is 5.555 cm. Okay, now we are plotting scale. 1 cm plotting is equal to 2 cm chart required. So for 10 degrees it is 2.778 centimeters. For 20 degree it was 5.555 cm, and for 30 degrees is 8.333 cm. This much clear. Now we have to make diagram. So in center it is 90 degree. $180 degree. So this is So now consider this is 180 degree, okay, and this is 90 degree east, and it is 19 degree west, and this is 0 0 0. Okay, now this is 90, so this one is 80, 70 and 60 degree north. Okay, now this is 180 and this is 90, so in center is this is 130 and this one is 120 west. $135 west, this is 135 east. Now our position is given 60 degree north to 120 degree west from 60 degree. Okay, so this one is our 60, so somewhere here. Okay, to 70 degree 130 degree east, so from here to 130 degree east, somewhere here. So this is vertex, and this one is our this is great circle track, this is composite track, and this is, if you say, this is A and this is B. This vertex, this pole, this is great circle track, and this is composite track. So hope you understand this two video. If you have any doubt, write me in comment box. Thanks for watching these videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next video, and best of luck for your exams.